it's time for me to wake Camilla up. So I bought these things, they are half. Maybe you think I'll drink it like that. Maybe. My straws are not complete. Hey guys, welcome to Living Life with me. If you're new here, my name is Zainab. You're welcome to Living Life with Zainab. And if you're not a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I love my videos are more than my subscribers. I love it, love it. But why are the people that are watching it not subscribing? Why? Please hit the subscribe button. Like, it would not cost you anything. Support me by subscribing, guys, please. So today is Saturday and I went to the market just to do like a mini shopping. So I don't know what to call it, but yeah, I want to show you guys what I got from the market. Let me bring them. They are so heavy. Let me bring them. These are all the things that I got. Let me show you. These are all the things that I got. Let me bring them out so that you guys can see it. I'm sweating.
Kid, I'm the producer.
Irish potatoes for this is majorly for Camilla because she likes Irish potatoes. Then I think this is the last but not the least, sweet potatoes for 1,000 naira. Ah, gosh, I'm sweating. So that's all I got. Just look at it. We look at them. I'll do a calculation and see how much I actually spent.
Your friends made them come by as baby. Say you don't finally get baby. So make them all be getting ready. You know I'm coming through, baby, to carry your hand away. If not be you, then I don't want to. I don't feel like person to watch you.
So this is how scanty my fridge looks like now.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
I think it's time for me to wake Camilla up. So I bought these things, they are half. Maybe it's me that will drink it like that. So my straws are not complete. So that means I'm more or less done. More or less done. This is what it looks like now.